Some and any. Two words that are used very often in the English language and often confused. Do you know how to use them? Let's get into this right after the intro. Hey guys, how's it going? Mr. Finn here again. And I want to help you guys out between these two common words, some and any. Look, the best way to know these words is if I give you some examples and you can try to figure it out. All right? So look here. I'm going to buy some clothes. Or, I'm not going to buy any clothes. What's the difference? I can say, there's some milk in the fridge. Or, there isn't any milk in the fridge. I made some mistakes on the last test. Or, I didn't make any mistakes on the last test. Were you able to see the difference between the two? If you said that some is used with the positive sentence and you use any for negative sentences, then you're right. To make it clear, that's basically the difference. We use these words for nouns, both countable nouns in the plural or uncountable nouns. Okay? So that's the idea. Some is for positive sentences and any for negative sentences. Both are used with these nouns. Now, let me give you a few more clarifications to help you understand the difference between the two. We generally use some, also like somebody and something, somewhere, in positive sentences. And any, also anybody, anywhere, anything, in negative sentences. Okay? Here's some examples. She went out without any money. He refused to eat anything. It's a very easy exam. Hardly anyone fails. Does that make sense? Now, there's also times where we use these words in questions. And in general, we're going to use any for questions. Because if you're not sure about the thing, if you're not sure about it, you're going to ask with the word any. So, do you have any time? Is there any milk in the fridge? Do you need any help? You see? So each one of those questions I was asking because I wasn't sure of what your need was or if there was anything. So use any. Now, if you're going to offer someone something or if you're asking for something, you're going to use some. So for example, a key phrase with this, would you like? So you come to my house and I offer, would you like some water? Would you like some coffee? You see? Or I come to you and I say, hey, I need some help. Because in this context, now I'm asking for something. Not just anything, but something. Now, we often use any in a sentence if it's followed by the word if. If is typically used for conditions. So, if anyone has any questions, please ask. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you need anything. I'm sorry for any trouble that I've caused you. Another specific point when we use any is when the thing we're meaning isn't important. So for example, you could take any bus to go downtown. Why? Because they all go downtown, so it doesn't matter. You can take any bus. Now, I get into your car and I ask you, could you play some music? And you ask me, hey, Mr. Finn, what music would you like to hear? And I don't really care, so I would tell you anything. Play anything. You see? It's not important. The important thing is I want to listen to some music. Now, talking about this some and any, or something and anything, try to compare these two words in this dialogue here. I'm hungry. I want something to eat. Someone asks me, what would you like? Anything. I'm hungry. Give me something. You see? So just like that example I gave with the music, right? You want something. What do you want? Doesn't matter. It could be anything. Just give me something, right? So as you've seen through these examples here, some positive things, affirmative things, any negative things, you're not sure, you ask questions, you're going to use any. Let's finish up with a few more examples comparing something, anything, somebody, anybody. She said something, and she didn't say anything. I saw somebody, but she didn't see anybody. Would you like something to eat? Are you doing anything tonight? Does that make sense? Right. Now, you may ask yourself, Mr. Finn, what is the difference between somebody and someone? Nothing. There's no difference between someone or somebody. There's no difference between anybody or anyone. There's no difference between nobody and no one. Okay? So, I hope that made sense to you. If you like these videos, make sure to subscribe below. And click here, one of these boxes, for another helpful video that can help you out with your English. Never forget to get out there and practice your English. Alright? I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll catch you in the next video. BAM!